this is Andrew Dixon, and today we're going to simplify a complex number, which is I, or an imaginary number. So, the form in which the answer has to be in is A plus or minus BI, and A is just like a regular number, like 8 or 7 or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so on and so forth. And BI, I is obviously the imaginary number, and B is the quantity, like 2i or 3i. And then there's two identities. First one being square root of negative 1. There is no square root of negative 1, so that's why they made I. Square root of negative 1, I. And then I squared equals negative 1. Those are pretty much the only two things you need to know to be able to solve these. So, problem is negative 2 plus 3i minus negative 4 minus 2i times each other. So we basically just FOIL these. So it would look pretty confusing, but you kind of just have to think of I as a variable, and it's pretty easy if you can remember the identities. So we get positive 8 plus 4i minus 12i minus 6i squared. Simplify that. 8 minus 8i minus 6i squared. Next step would be 8 minus 8i. If you haven't already noticed, there's an I squared, which you already know is negative 1, so you just plug that in for the I squared. And simplify that. Should be plus 6. So 8 plus 6, 14. Adding like terms, minus 8i. And that is our final answer, and it is an A plus or minus BI form.